Hey guys, welcome to our new video. One more week of George's Lada Niva work. This week we will try to get all the welding stuff at the forward part of Oleg done. So closing the spars at the wheel arches, doing two small little repairs on the underbody, so that we can start with painting the wheel arches and the engine bay next week. So let's figure out how to do it. Yeah, today I would like to prepare the metal sheets that I have to weld on the two spots on the underbody of Oleg. So I have 0.75 millimeter sheet and a 1 millimeter sheet. Yeah, build the two little plates about this size and then paint them with the zinc spray from the one side, so that the two sides of metal that are lying together are a little bit protected against corrosion. Yes, then let it cure, and tomorrow I can then start welding these plates in place. So both pieces are ready. This is this piece for the right aft part on the other underbody, and this is for one of the spars. There's this little hole, yes, and I would like to patch it. Yes, now I can spray it with zinc spray and tomorrow come back and weld it on. Now I forgot to make some holes into this part, so I did this. Now I will sand these two parts and then spray them. So today is welding day, and to be honest, I'm not really an expert when it comes to welding. I welded a few times in my life before, but never did some body work on cars like this. I think it will be good to give it a try first before I start welding on Oleg. So this is a 1 millimeter sheet, like this one I will mount to weld to Oleg. So I have a second 1 millimeter sheet metal down here, so I will try to spot weld them together. I already made a few holes. Yes, and I never worked with this kind of welding machine, so I think I have to figure out the right settings, then try to weld this properly on here, and then start welding on Oleg. So let's get started. Yeah, these were my first tries, and interesting is this is actually my first one and this is the one which came out quite good, I think. The other ones, I don't know what I changed, so I will yeah, try a few more. Okay, I think the problem is that the wire does not come out in the middle, so it always is a little bit lower. So when I aim at the hole, the wire hits the metal sheet way lower. So yes, I think That's why the other welding spots did not come out quite well, but no, I think I figured out how to aim the welding torch. So I will start welding the two pieces onto Oleg, but it will be very hard to film with the camera, so I think you have to wait to see me welding until I start at the wheel arches, but this will maybe into 2 or 3 days, so not that far away. But for now I will crouch under Oleg and try to weld these on. Wish me luck. Okay, so the two little pieces on the underbody are welded in place and I will prime them later. But first I will start building the template for the left wheel arch so that I can cut out the metal sheet and then prepare it for welding. So let's get a little bit. Ja, was machen wir eigentlich? So let's have some paper and now I will cut this to the right shape, transfer it on the metal sheet and then cut out the metal sheet. So as you have seen, the piece for the left wheel arch is ready, and I will let it cure for one more day, and today build the template for the right wheel arch. And because I already showed you the whole process and it's a little bit difficult to work and film at the right side near the wall, yes, I think I will do it off camera, and then we see us again for welding the left wheel arch. So both templates are ready. The first one is already clamped in place and I'm really excited to start welding. So let's do it. To give the whole assembly a little bit more strength, we ordered this 3mm thick reinforcement sheet that I will weld on top of the other sheet. To give it a good fit, I make a few adjustments. Then I cleaned the area with a wire brush and silicone remover, applied a little bit of body sealant to the edges. Sprayed both pieces with zinc spray to avoid corrosion between the two metal sheets, and then I will be able to weld the second sheet on next week. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, remember to leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to not miss any of our future updates, and I hope we will see us again next Sunday. See you!